Here's the market this morning, ladies and gentlemen, on January 30th. Trading room had been opened only 32 hours. Here are two trades, drastically two different trades that I converted to 1-minute chart. One of the trade that I brought up to the trading rooms that I described pretty darn aggressive, where you had to stay out through pain and torture. This is a trade that students interested in that waited for extra confirmation. What are you seeing on both? Reversal zone to the upside. Is it possible 1-minute chart is struggling? Absolutely! Always! This is picture perfect reminder. Only if you play by the rules, you succeed in trading. I warned you. We're dealing with key Fibonacci reversal zone. I warned you. This is not the place to short. Are you glad you stayed out from junk and fluff? Are you glad you waited for the rules to be met? This morning price struggled to break through this level. And that's what you're witnessing each and every day in the room. This is trade number 28 and 29. 5 more trades in front of me. For the trading room, I brought up only 2. Are you shocked to see reversal zone to the upside being a problem? Should not be. Only Fibonacci will give you this much accuracy. Picture perfect reminder. Why I live and breathe what I do. What is a problem to the downside? This support holding the key. Do you remember this exact same structure on oil? Look at that. It's all the same formula. Trend inception, spring 2016. Where is oil now? What are you going to witness tomorrow morning? Identical structure as on 1-minute chart on S&P. My goodness, it's all the same. What you're witnessing in front of you is 8 years of more than full-time work with Fibonacci. What you're witnessing in front of you is picture-perfect reminder why I named this level reversal zone. If you will ever ignore this word, success is not possible. If you respect and adore Fibonacci reversal zone, all you have to do is identify what you want to trade. It's all the same formula. This is where gold is now. This is your investment decisions. This is charts that have been present in front of you for years. Gold in exact same place where gold collapsed from in 2016. Gold is in exact same place where gold collapsed from in 2017. Do you know what to do with your position? Are you having sweaty palms? Are you losing sleep because gold at reversal zone? Or are you a knowledgeable trader who protects his profits, who know what he's paying attention to? So, knowledgeable trader this morning respected Fibonacci reversal zone. Knowledgeable trader ignored worthless correction. Knowledgeable trader operates as sniper. No matter what chart he trades, no matter if it's day trading S&P, no matter if it's position trading gold or oil, no matter if you are trading Goldman Sachs. Do you remember Goldman at trend inception 2016? Did you lose this year's sleep because of brutal correction Goldman put you through? This is what S&P is doing now. Only correction to the upside, no reversal, none. Identical structure as Goldman Sachs. If you've never read book Outliers, I highly encourage you please do. What book Outliers showing you is very, very clearly constant research and reminder. If you combine 10,000 hours of work and passion, you're creating very powerful product. That's what I share in the course. That's why my students are dearest friends for life. That's why I received yesterday a phone call from Carol. Let me show you Carol's picture. whom I hope to meet this weekend as I travel the world meeting with students. So, this is picture perfect reminder. Here's beautiful Carol that's flying in this weekend. Beautiful blonde lady in the middle who is phenomenal trader, who is my dearest friend for life, who reminds me daily the reason I live and breathe what I do. So, you want to join us? You're sick and tired of delayed artificial indicators? Give yourself a favor. Review the information on the website under Learn, and remember, everything I teach to retail traders is what I teach to hedge fund managers in US and globally. So, this morning I'm working with Forex trader in Uganda. Tomorrow I'm working with hedge fund manager in New York. What kind of trader you are, only you know. Group course, 8 weeks, live classes only. Private mentoring 4 months, group classes included. Review the information on the website and do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. S&P reminding you, do not acquire position into reversal zone. Are we clear? Do you want to buy into reversal zone? Do you want to pull a random market order? Or are you witnessing picture perfect reminder why I named this level reversal zone? Never forget, never ignore, never disrespect these levels. These levels apply to any instrument, any time frame, any platform you will choose to trade. Reversal zone means price will reverse at least 80% of the time. The other 15 to 20% of the time, price will give you only correction. So, knowledgeable trader adjusts the trail very, very closely. Knowledgeable trader understands that acquiring position into reversal zone, not an option. Exiting position is a brilliant thing to do. As you saw on oil, on gold, on Goldman. It's all the same formula. Every single trade is exact same rules. Every single trade reminding you, do not get chopped up in correction. Only if you play by pure price action rules and Fibonacci rules, you can succeed. Look at that, trail is placed in perfect place. Is that possible? Price told us so? Absolutely. Every day, every time in the trading room, you're witnessing the accuracy of the method. Price breaking through this red level, price will crash. Lower it crashes. More interesting market will become again. Price will respect this trail, it will head much higher. Look at that. Speculative stop, speculative target, speculative stop will never work. Rule-based stop, rule-based target does. We stayed out of correction, no reversal from reversal zone. Do we agree? No surprise. However, this is not the place to enter. This is a place to trail only. And that's what you will witness on oil tomorrow at the time of oil news release. Agree? Look at that. Are you surprised what oil is doing? This is a chart that's been present in front of you for months. Oil daily and oil weekly at reversal zone. Exact same thing as S&P, 1 minute. Identical formula. You want to trade oil? You want to trade gold, or you want to trade S&P? Choice is yours. As soon as this trade is out, I'm out, ladies and gentlemen. We will do the summary and we're closing the room. Only if you operate as a trading sniper you will succeed. Only if you remember, reversal zone is where you expect reversal, not where you enter to. Success is possible. Everything else background noise. And that's what I share in the course. Look at that corrective dent. Look at picture perfect reminder. Knowledge is power in everything you do. Agree? Crash and burn S&P. Remind everyone the accuracy of the method. Remind everyone you want to trade Goldman, why not? You want to trade oil, you want to trade euro, why not? Choice is yours. S&P 1-minute chart had done exact same thing. As this one of the most favorite charts in the course, students call peacock chart. Look at that. Euro in 2014. Remember euro at 3900? Had done exact same thing as S&P. It's all the same formula. Every day, every time. So, this is trades number 28 and 29 this month. Do we agree? This is a trade that's showing you babysitting markets, trading corrections, not something you ever want to do. Trade number 29. How many positive trades? 24. Out of 29 trades, 24 trades reached Fibonacci targets. Correct? Multiple times when you trade against the trend, you must respect decision point 1. With sitting in corrections, decision point 1 can be a couple of ticks or multiple points. Every single trade based on price action. Every single Fib 1, Fib 2, Fib 3, different number of points. 24 trades reached Fib 1. How many trades reached Fib 2? Less. One trade less. 23. How many trades reached reversal zone? 15. What do you learn? 14. What do you learn in the course? If you choose to trade against the trend, you're respecting Fib 1. If you are trading with a trend, you only target Fib 2 stop break even. Multiple times you witnessed this month, if you choose to participate in short markets, if you choose to short the markets, counter trend trades is when you're getting negative results. When market moving to the downside, I cannot close trading room. I can only show you and warn you. Institutional bias remains long. Bearish corrections in a play, in a trading room, I will show you and remind you. Only if you trade with institutions you will succeed, as bullish rallies from reversal zone at trend inception remain. Never forget that, no matter what chart to trade. And that was 2 longs this morning. And that's picture perfect example. No need to babysit corrections. We are out traders. Have a marvelous afternoon. Look forward hearing from you. If you would like to join us in the course, simply click on Contact Us page and feel free to call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Tomorrow I will be open for oil news. We will close the room early again and we will reopen for FOMC, the most important financial news in US markets tomorrow, which means we expect frozen markets until FOMC. Thank you, traders. Look forward to hearing from you. If you ever have any questions, adios. Always let's talk.